Hey guys, welcome back to Review Rounder Tech YouTube channel. Here comes the God's Ghost review. Oops, sorry. The anti-theft laptop bag from God's Ghost. The Ghost backpack is made by Gods, the manufacturer of all high safety and security bags. Kindly watch the video till the end. Let me open the package. By the way, the Ghost, the anti-theft laptop bag, is available in both Amazon and Flipkart, where I left the links to buy in the description below. I bought this package directly from God's website. Here comes the package. Let us open quickly. Wow, the God's Ghost is here. I'll keep this aside and see what more contents inside the package. I think it's the rain cover, and a water bottle is provided as a part of complimentary gift, and here is the invoice bill. Though even the bottle is a complimentary gift, it comes with a good quality plastic material with a brand logo placed on it, which really gives a decorum look to it. The rain cover also comes with a good quality, placed the logo over it. Finally, I'm witnessing an elegant look God's anti-theft laptop backpack. On the front part here, the brand logo God is placed, which gives a glazing look, that is when the light falls on it. And here it is written Ghost, the model name of the bag. Here are some card manuals were tagged to it. The quality, the fabric were really much toughened with waterproof. All the sides of the bag were really made up of a good material, and I am very much impressed with the safety measures the Gods were taken. Let us take these guards and see the information on it. Here is the price tag mentioned, Rs 2349, and these are the other products the Gods manufactures: the Xeon R2, the Wolf, the Xeon R1, the Triton X, the Ghost bag, and the Hawk bag. The cushion at the back side, which gives a decent comfort to the user. A logo is placed on one of the shoulder strap, and on the other side comes with a zip for unique access pockets. On all other side views, there's nothing you can see. Let us open the bag now. Wow, a protective airbag is here, which is the space occupied, approximately 22 liters. Here is the provision 1, it's a provision 2, and this is a secret security pouch, and a space is provided here on either sides. And the brand logo is here, and the bottom was very tough and hard, where you can make your bag to stand like a suitcase even after your bag is fully equipped with your luggage. Either side, here it is mentioned activate your warranty and claim a gift via email or WhatsApp. And this is a manual guide, a netted provision with zip. These provisions is for holding your keychains or cables, and the quality here is a bit average, and multiple provisions were here. This is a provision for placing your laptop nearly up to a 15-inch laptop. By the way, this bag is 180 degrees opening with organized pockets. On the exterior view of the bag, there are two compartments. One is to place your bottle, and this side you can place anything. I'll place my rain cover, also like a power bank, etc. It's very spacious compartment. At the back side, a small provision is meant for easy accessing, like placing your cards or cash. So that's about the provisions of this Ghost bag. Also, we'll cover this bag with rain cover, and here comes the bag protected with the rain cover. Let me splash some water forcefully and check. Wow, that was really amazing. It is purely water repellent, not even a single water drop I can see here, and the quality of the car was also amazing. Oh my god, I crushed this invoice, which is very important to claim your warranty and a gift. So please keep it carefully, and see here it is mentioned activate your warranty and claim your gift on contacting via email or WhatsApp. Now let us see its safety measures and why it is called anti-theft backpack. This is how it looks when you wear it. Now let us compare a normal bag with this anti-theft bag just to know how safety the Ghost bag is. This is a normal bag which is easy to open and get the things out. But this Ghost bag, it makes the thief to get easily caught. Quickly, we'll check out the Ghost bag specifications. It is made up of Unbreakable PP Poly fiber sheet, water repellent, water resistant polyester, imported heavy duty YKK zippers, abrasion resistant protective sheath with capacity 22 liters, laptop compatible up to 15.6 inch, and the dimensions of this bag is 30 by 15 by 49. Finally, these many things we can place into this Ghost bag in a secured and compartment wise. Verdict. As far as for me, this anti-theft Ghost bag is worth to buy for those who look for safety and security purpose. Talking about its look, it gives you an elegant and stylish look. So that's all about the review of the God's Ghost anti-theft backpack. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any query with regard to this video, kindly drop it in the comment section so that I can resolve your queries. Before signing off, kindly give your thumbs up if you liked the video or thumbs down if you didn't. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.